MSSC and Amatrol have developed an innovative training and assessment tool, Skill Boss. MSSC's CPT Plus hands-on certification with Skill Boss provides a real-life advanced manufacturing experience that is affordable, making careers in manufacturing accessible to more communities nationwide.
The reason I decided to take interest in the CPT Plus and the Skill Boss training is because of the job opportunities that could be afforded to me afterwards.
The training that the Skill Boss provides our employees, including safety, quality measurements, maintenance on equipment, quick changeovers, will provide the employees with skills that they'll use every day on the job doing those tasks.
The Certified Production Technician, or CPT program, is preparing people to work in all sectors of manufacturing. And we cover the four main concentrations of plant work, so safety, quality, production, and maintenance.
I definitely see the MSSC training program as well as the Skill Boss training being implemented into the curriculum for degree programs and certificate programs that are currently being offered by colleges.
One of our primary goals here is to develop exceptional employees. Being able to increase their skill level will increase our productivity, the safety in the shop, improve uptime on our equipment, and make a better quality product.
Well, if you look at the cost of an advanced manufacturing training center that you'd find at a technical college or community college, you're upwards of $3 to $4 million. To provide an advanced manufacturing learning and training experience with CPT and CPT Plus, with instructor training and with your computer lab and the Skill Boss machine, you're now enabling inner city programs, rural programs, the ability to offer an advanced manufacturing training and learning and credentialing experience for people to at least have that option to enter other career paths and make a very lucrative income.
Going forward, we will look to include this certification in our job description when looking for new employees, because it will ensure that the employees come to the workforce already equipped to do the job.
It's not uncommon for our certificants, especially with the CPT and CPT Plus, to within a short period be hired on as an assembler operator and be promoted pretty quickly to frontline supervisor.
The Skill Boss machine showed me how taking the machines apart, being able to put them back together, making the necessary adjustments to get them to work in their proper form.
I saw them blossom because they could take the Skill Boss apart, they could do their startup and shutdown procedures, they actually could put in the cycle times inside of it, and the more they actually did it, the better they actually understood the material.
One advantage for employers is that they're getting somebody who is going to be much more efficient in a shorter period of time. We're taking somebody within 200 hours and maybe 1 month and a month and a half of training and getting them from being unemployed to actually a good paying job and on a career pathway in advanced manufacturing. We're endorsed by the National Association of Manufacturers for all the work we've done in preparing thousands of people to be strong frontline workers. They look at the Skill Boss CPT Plus program and look at their new line where they might be adding robotics, they might be adding more automated systems, and they're looking at where do you get that pipeline of workers that are going to be able to work comfortably and more efficiently and be ready for work in a shorter period of time.
That training really helped me out because, I don't know if I would have even got a job offer if I didn't know the information. But because I took that course and went through the interview process, I did get a job offer.